So we are at Ponni Sugar right now, and we have completed roller arcing and teardrop on 2 rollers, and complete anvil repairs. So here with me is Mr. A. Ravi Kumar, AGM Engineering of Ponni Sugars, who will give us feedback on the job works done.
We approached the IMCO Alloys for the work. Actually, they came at site, they did a wonderful job. The teardrop uniformity and workmanship and the performance of the welders are found very good and found very satisfactorily. The cost also very less compared to the competitors.
Okay, thank you, sir. So, sir, initially you used to do conventional arcing, and now for the first time you have tried wire arcing. So, what is the difference you got?
Okay, conventional arcing, it will take 3 to 4 shifts, and also the arcing also beats also not uniform, and also the reliability of the beats are very low. What we observed last season.
Yes, sir.
But these rollers are found very strong beats, and moreover the time also, productivity also very high. Normally we took 4 shifts, but this time they welded 2 rollers in 2 days.
Okay, thank you, sir. So we have also done complete anvil plate repair. So what is your feedback on that, sir?
On seeing the anvil plate, we about to discard the anvil plate. That much of damages happened because of last season. When foreign metal came inside, it damages the pockets. Fortunately, IMCO Alloys are doing this type of jobs. We came to know. Then we handed out to them. The 2 welders and the supervision is excellent. They completely transformed the anvil. We postponed buying of the anvil now. We will see what is the performance in the season.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
IMCO Total Wear Solutions.